Hey guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I tried recreating this Zoella makeup look. I had a lot of fun filming this video and I've seen a lot of these video ideas floating around on YouTube. And I thought I'd just give the idea a try and see what it was like. So without further ado, watch me try and recreate this Zoella makeup look. Let's get on to this.
The foundation I've been obsessing over and loving a lot is the Fenty Beauty foundation.
I don't have the Fenty Beauty foundation, so L'Oreal True Match Lily. I can't just use a brush. I have to blend it out afterwards, so I'm gonna do that right now.
I am going to put a little bit of the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer.
I also don't have the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, the Revlon Youth FX Concealer. So I'm gonna put that on.
The next thing I use is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight.
And I have this bronzer right here.
The next thing I'm going to use is Tanya Burr Cosmetics Illuminating Powder in Peonies Please.
I'm just gonna use my usual Laura Geller blush and just put that on my cheeks.
I'm going to do brows now. The Makeup Forever Aqua Brow.
I don't normally do my brows because I don't have a color that really matches my brows, but I guess I'm gonna try, although I do have a brow brush. So the closest thing that I could find to my eyebrows was this color Factory in the Naked 3 palette, so it's kind of glittery, but we're just gonna roll with it. We're gonna see how this goes.
Eyeshadow. I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow primer. This is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance.
I'm gonna use concealer.
The Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette.
For the first time, I actually have one of the
The
things.
shade I tend to go for the most is this one, which is Lumbre. And I'm just going to pop that over my entire lid. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this shade, which is called Ounce. And I'm just going to pop that in the inner corner. And I'm going to go in with this shade, which is En Fuego. The Smith & Colt Beeline Eye Pen.
Now she's doing a winged eyeliner, which I suck at winged eyeliner. Let's see how this goes. I've ever done on winged eyeliner.
Last but by no means least, I am using my ever trusty Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara.
I'm going to use these two Color Institute mascaras, one for volumizing and one for definition.
The Colourpop Moon Dancer Ultra Matte Lip.
I'm just going to use a color that I think is pretty close to it, which is the Katy Kat Matte Maroon Meow lipstick. So here is my finished Zoella makeup look recreation. I really like this look. It's actually very pretty. I love the lips and the eyes. Gorgeous! If you guys really like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking the big red button down there. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!